So today we're going to be installing the Tazer Z Automotive for the 2020 JL. It's a super easy install, and basically you just pop this panel off. You're going to have some clips that are going to just pop right off of this thing. So then you get up in here, and there is 2 wires that go in this guy. You just pop them out, plug them in. You can't even mess them up, and then we'll go from there. Basically, this is where these 2 wires pop out at, and they're both the same size as the Tazer JL. So you just snap these guys in, and you just stick it back in and pop your panel back in. First thing you'll want to do is turn on your auxiliary switch, then come over here, turn on your radio, make sure it's on FM, because some people it's just easier to recognize this signal right here. So once you get the satellite signal, or whatever it is, you hold the left antenna switch, and then you press the cancel button. You scroll through here till you get to Marry, and then click on Marry, and then Marry Connect, and then you'll marry your stuff up, and it'll count down from 15 or whatever. Alright, so now that you have your ignition on, you hold this button here and kind of scroll through. You'll see it say light show, DTC, clear CEL codes. I've already married, so it's showing unmarried, but if you was at the spot where you wanted to marry, you get married, and you click your middle button, and it start counting down. So setting your tires, it says perf, so you go to your tires, it's perfs, press your middle button, and you'll just walk it up. I was at 30, it said 33s, but I'm gonna walk it up to 35s, because that's what we got on her. So it says 35.05. Then I'll just hit cancel. I'll pop back out. Gear ratio, I'm not changing that. Not changing anything else. TPMS sensors, hit the middle button. I'm gonna switch it to no, because I don't want them on. So once you do that, hit your button out, and you can kind of cruise through here, and kind of, if you wanted to do a full reboot, you go to full reboot and then hit the middle button, but we're not wanting to do that. So here's your light show. If you wanted to do your light show, you could go to light show, hit the middle button, and then there's 14 probably light shows on here. So if you just keep clicking through the numbers, it'll go up to your different shows, and you can actually go on here and set the actual light show in the way that you want to set it yourself. So that's another thing. But light show off, you just cancel. So we're at the point where we kind of show you like the winch part of it. Like so you get on here and you'll hold your button down. You'll go to your adult, your signal. You'll hold it down, go to your light show, and your vehicle's running, so you'll push the right side your button, and it turns your winch mode on, and it actually idles your vehicle up. So when you're running your winch, it just gives you better power out of your Jeep. So you want to turn it off, you just hit your side button again, it goes off.